Are you feeling stressed, overwhelmed, anxious, or struggling to sleep with paralysis? And you find things difficult to manage? Well, what if I told you that there is a breathing technique that can calm your nervous system in just a few minutes and make you relax out of your anxiety and low mood? Yes, there is. It is called the 4 to 7 to 8 breathing technique. I know you would be thinking of what these numbers indicate. Don't worry, I will tell you each and every single detail of this technique and explain how it can be useful for your brain health. So stay tuned and watch this complete video without skipping a single second. Hello and a very warm good morning to all our viewers. I'm Dr. Amisha. You are cordially welcome to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel, where you can explore detailed scientific information on health and wellness, healthy diet and nutrition, yoga, exercise, and disease treatment with natural and holistic care. Well, in this video, I will guide you through a step-by-step method of 478 breathing technique and how it can help calm your mind and relieve anxiety. So let's get started. Well, the 478 breathing technique is inspired by an ancient yogic breathing technique called pranayam, and it was developed by Dr. Andrew Weil. It helps slow your breathing, calm your nervous system, and bring your body into a state of deep relaxation. Now, let us understand how you can perform it. Sit comfortably on a mat and keep your gaze straight. Relieve unnecessary thoughts from your mind and feel peace around you. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 seconds as inhalation increases oxygen flow and slows your heart rate. Now hold your breath for 7 seconds. This will allow oxygen to circulate through your bloodstream, energizing every cell and reducing tension. Finally, exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. This triggers the vagus nerve, which signals your brain to relax. Repeat this breathing exercise 10 to 15 times. Well, this method makes it easy to perform 478 breathing exercises, but if you feel uncomfortable doing it or find difficulty completing 4 to 5 rounds, then do according to what your intrinsic says. Okay, so now let us know when or at what time you can perform this exercise so you may get its most benefits. You can try this in the early morning just after some time you wake up. You can also perform this when you feel anxious or overwhelmed due to Parkinson's. People with Parkinson's usually face sleep issues, so it will be best to do this exercise at bedtime when you experience sleeplessness. See, it's just an ideal time frame when it will be beneficial for you to do this exercise. Moreover, you can also try this out at any time of the day, depending on what suits you best. But make sure to have a gap of 3 hours between your meal and exercise. Alright, now let us know what benefits you may get if you perform this breathing exercise in paralysis. Here they are. It will help reduce stress and anxiety. You will experience an elevated mood and balance of emotions. Paralysis can affect your sleep. It is a proven breathing technique to promote better sleep. It helps lower heart rate and blood pressure. Well, paralysis does not directly cause cognitive decline, but certain conditions like stroke and spinal cord injury and their complications such as anxiety, depression, and sleeplessness can affect cognitive functions. This exercise will help improve focus and mental clarity. It calms your nervous system and activates the parasympathetic system responsible for the body rest and digest response, promoting relaxation and conserving energy. Hence, it has a tranquilizing effect on your brain. Alright, I have shared detailed information on the 4 to 7 to 8 breathing technique, which helps your nervous system remain calm even in neurological conditions like paralysis. Well, dietary and lifestyle changes cannot be a full-fledged treatment for paralysis. They can support healing, but for complete relief, you need to include a holistic and natural treatment that naturally invigorates your system and boosts overall immunity. Bharat Homeopathy medicines heal patients holistically. They are prescribed after assessing the patient's constitution and physical and psychological symptoms. Bharat Homeopathy has a track record of treating paralysis patients for many years. We are a team of experienced doctors who are experts in treating neurological disorders with our personalized and customized homeopathic medicines. I know how challenging it is to live with paralysis when you face movement issues in your limbs. But don't worry, we are here to help you come out of this condition and enjoy the healthy moments of life again. I have seen many patients who had earlier lost every hope of regaining their mobility. After receiving treatment from us, they've regained their lost mobility and now they are leading happy lives once again. It is truly inspiring for us that we are bringing peace and happiness to our patients' life. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related information. Thank you. Have a nice day.